Good morning, Austin. It's a beautiful day in the live music capital of the world. The temperature is currently 91 degrees, and we're expecting clear skies throughout the day. Perfect weather to get out and enjoy all that our city has to offer. Have a fantastic day, Austin.
Swept away